Introducing the latest addition to Kia's lineup, the sleek and stylish K4 compact sedan. Set to replace the beloved Forte, this new model promises to bring a fresh perspective to the compact car segment. What's up, everyone? It's great to have you here with us. Today, we're talking all about the brand new Kia K4, the sleek sedan set to hit the streets later this year. So, buckle up and let's dive right in. The Kia K4 boasts a stunning design, drawing inspiration from the sporty Stinger sedan. With its fastback roofline and wide rear fenders, this car exudes a sense of athleticism and style. Just look at those lines. The K4 is all about making a statement on the road. From its dynamic profile to its sporty stance, this car is sure to turn heads wherever it goes. But it's not just about looks. The interior of the K4 is spacious and comfortable, offering ample room for both front and rear passengers. With a clean and modern design, this sedan is as inviting as it is stylish. Step inside and you'll find a cabin that's designed with your comfort in mind. From the intuitive controls to the generous legroom, every detail has been carefully crafted to enhance your driving experience. Under the hood, the K4 offers two engine options to suit your driving preferences. Whether you opt for the efficient base model or the turbocharged GT line turbo trim, you can expect a responsive and enjoyable ride. With a range of powertrains to choose from, the K4 delivers the performance you need without compromising on efficiency. Plus, with its agile handling and smooth ride, every journey is a pleasure behind the wheel. And let's not forget about technology. The K4 comes equipped with a range of cutting-edge features, including a large infotainment display and wireless connectivity options for your smartphone. Stay connected on the go with the K4's intuitive infotainment system. Whether you're navigating to your next destination or jamming out to your favorite tunes, everything you need is right at your fingertips. Safety is always a top priority, and the K4 is no exception. With its comprehensive suite of driver assistance technologies, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that you and your passengers are protected on the road. So there you have it, folks, a closer look at the all-new Kia K4. With its stunning design, impressive performance, and advanced features, this compact sedan is ready to take on the road ahead. Thanks for tuning in, everyone! If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more automotive content. Until next time, happy driving!